Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to update your Samsung Smart TV that's a little bit older, and also how to update the Smart Hub. So if I press the menu right now, and I go down, I want to select Network, and just make sure I'm connected to the network. So let's go to Network Settings here, and go through this setup process, and scan for wireless networks. Now you can connect a LAN cable to the back of your Samsung Smart TV. I do have that option. Now connect to a network. So I'm going to connect to Scump right here and then go to Next. Then I'll have to type in a security key. So let's type that in. Now let's scroll on over to Next and select this. And then it's going to connect to the internet via Wi-Fi. And you'll know it's connected because you'll get a check mark here and a check mark here and go to OK. Now that the Wi-Fi internet is set up, let's scroll on down to Support. And then go to System Software Update right here. Update the software, install on your TV. Then we want to go to Online. And it's disconnecting from Internet Plus. And it's connecting to the network. It says there are no new updates for me at the moment. Now if there is an update for Smart Hub, it should update automatically if you are connected to the Wi-Fi. And typically whenever I press the Media P button on my remote and I go to the Smart Hub, if there is an update for this, it will specifically prompt an update right away so I can start using it. Under here you can find your apps, your web browser, Netflix, etc. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.